Next few seconds, I am going to share with you a persuasion technique. This will allow you to convince anyone do whatever you want. In 90s, psychologists has done an experiment which was called as loss aversion, जिसमें साइकोलॉजी या साइकियाट्रिस्ट ने ये डिस्कवर किया कि ह्यूमंस आर ट्वाइस सेंसिटिव टू पेन देन हैप्पीनेस. ये बिल्कुल वैसा ही है. अगर मैं आपको 1000 रुपीज दूं तो यू विल बी हैप्पी. But if I take same 1000 rupees back from you, you will be much more unhappy than before. Same you can use with your friend. If you are going to work out and you want your friend to join you, don't tell him that he will get fit by joining this workout classes or gym with you. Say him that he will grow fatter and fatter, and it will be very tough and hard for him to lose this weight later on. He will understand that yes, this is the best time for me and अगर मैंने ये अभी नहीं ज्वाइन किया तो वाकई में ये मेरे लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. Same way, you can use this technique in marketing. Say your clients or consumers what they are going to lose if they are not going to buy this product from you. So, use this loss aversion technique and follow for more.